getting ready to work on is this Mitsubishi Mr. Slim. Let me back up here and so you can see the whole thing. Oh, wait a second. Can't work on this thing because it's on my truck. Just do a video about the wrap I did. And I'm telling you, from back here, the video does not do this thing justice. I'm gonna show you here. Well, from here you can see the airstream. Turn it from a nice, hot, dry desert to a nice grassy green landscape. And we'll show you the detail in these pictures. And then of course my logo. But this house here, you can see every brick, every shingle in that house, or on that house. But somewhere in here, there's probably somebody in there. But you can see the mountains, and the grass, the tree here. The tree has, you can see all the little cracks in the tree. The desert floor. Of course, I got my YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, and the Energy Star label. And then of course the Mitsubishi logo. Walk around the back and it's the same picture. But I want to show you this too. Look at the sun ray right there. This thing, I cannot believe how good it came out. It really came out good. And then the back's the same thing. I got my 24 hours emergency service. The only bad part is the gasket there cut out the Mitsubishi, but you still see the Mr. Slim. And then of course this side. Same old picture on this side as it is on the other, but I think that unit's a little lower on this side than it is on the other side, but it's because of the handle right there. And of course my logo, and then my number, my license number there. And my phone number. So that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And I had one guy said, man, I don't know, that picture on that truck, I don't know if I'll be able to afford you. But I said, that picture's paid for, man. You'll be able to afford me. That's it. I think it came out really well. I'm pretty proud of it, actually. The guy that wrapped it, he's like, man, I'm glad you picked that picture. Like I said, the video does it no justice. I mean, you see the little things right there, the little mountains or whatever, the rocks. Kind of reminds me of the Beetlejuice thing with the sand whatever it was. But anyway, it looks cool. It looks really cool. Step back here so So that's what I get to drive now. Oh, and yeah, something else. I went to Mitsubishi's website, to the diamond contractors portion of it, and they have a wrap for the mini split. And I'll tell you why I picked the Mitsubishi. Because the guy that did the wrap, he was like, well, are you going to put an air conditioner on the truck? And I was like, no, because I don't want to be tied to any one brand. Because you know how I feel about the air conditioners. They're all pretty much the same. But the Mitsubishi, I truly like the Mitsubishis. So I decided that's what I'm going to go with. So I went to the Mitsubishi website and looked at the wraps, and I was just like, well, it's all about them. And they only give you a little bitty part to put your logo and your information, and it has Mitsubishi.com, and I just didn't like that. So I went on the hunt for something else, and this is what I come up with. But anyway, so that's why I didn't just put an air conditioner, and I put a mini split on it. Anyway, that is it.